Hey there, so have you heard of the St. George Area Parade of Homes? Well, if so, or if not, today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of some of my absolute favorite parade homes this year in 2023, and we're going to hop into it right now. Mariah K here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm a licensed and active real estate agent here in Utah, and this channel is literally everything you need to know about eating, working, playing, sleeping, and living in the Salt Lake City, Utah area. And if that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below and make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week we drop a new video. We hear from people like you all the time who are looking to move, looking to relocate, or looking to sell their home here in Utah, and we absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about making a move in a week, in a month, or even a year from now, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and it would be our absolute pleasure to connect with you. So you might be wondering what the Parade of Homes is. The Parade of Homes really is a showcase of home builders, architects, designers, you name it, and all the other contractors that are behind the scenes, and they are showcasing some of their most innovative, most luxury, most custom builds here in Utah. And one of my favorite things, or actually a few of my favorite things on attending these, is simply the inspiration that you get from walking in these homes. If you are thinking about building a home, or you're thinking of just, different ideas of ways that you can renovate your own home, attending and touring some of these parade homes will give you the inspiration that you need. And really, just walking in, getting different ideas of custom builds, getting ideas of what they're doing with their cabinetry or, their flooring, really just gives you a good idea. Number two is the education. If you are thinking of building a home, this will educate you on some of the builders. This will educate you on some of the architects, some of the designers, and really give you an idea of, hey, are you looking more toward a modern house? Are you looking more toward one that has more of a European flair? Are you looking more toward like the modern farmhouse? Like, really, what is it? And this showcase really helps not only with the inspiration, but it helps you with educating yourself on really the different designs, and then also a lot of the different builders. You might be able to, at a lot of these parade homes, they will actually have, the builders will be there, sometimes the designers will be there, sometimes the architect, but a lot of people will be there, so you can actually talk with them one-on-one a lot of times and just get a feel of like, hey, you know what? I actually think I'd work great with this builder, or I think I'd work great with this builder. And so really just educating yourself on the process and really some of those styles that they offer too. And lastly is simply networking, and this kind of goes along with the education piece as well, but networking with the different builders, networking and finding out different products that are being offered, finding out different innovations that homes, with maybe it's eco-friendly, maybe it's, whatever it is, but really just, the inspiration, the education, and then simply networking. So again, today I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be taking you on a tour of some of my favorite parade homes here in the St. George Area Parade of Home. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so that's a wrap. Please share with me down in the comments below. What did you like best? What houses? Tell me some of the features that you enjoyed. Was it the kitchen? Was it the sports court? Really, what was it? Was the landscaping? Share with me what you liked best. And again, if you are thinking about making a move to Utah, my team and I work with people like you all the time, and we absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about making a move in a week, in a month, or even a year from now, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and it would be our pleasure to connect with you. Take care and have a great one. Bye.